In this video, we're going to talk about the House, the Senate, the Congress as a whole, and where they stand on the second round of stimulus checks, who is going to receive them. If we do end up getting a second round, who doesn't, what are the different budgets set at. Also going to talk about the dates and the timeline that you guys need to pay attention to stay current on what's going on, when you guys can expect to receive your money if you qualify, and how much you should receive. The last thing I want to talk to you guys about, I want to give you guys, make sure you stick around to the end of the video so I can give you guys 3 different tips on ways that you guys can actually utilize this second round of money, maybe in a way that we didn't utilize it the first time around, but this time around we definitely are going to be ready. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video for those 3 tips. If you haven't already, make sure you please go ahead and hit the subscribe for your boy one time. This is a new channel. We are on a road to 1,000 subscribers. Smash the like for me. Go ahead and share it. Drop a comment. Let's get into it. All right, guys. So reports have coming out. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell has stated today, July 21st, 2020, that the Congress is on a 3-week sprint to get this thing pounded out and give us something concrete. The next economic rescue bill is most likely going to include a second stimulus check. So yes, pretty much the House and the Senate, obviously the Congress, and President Donald Trump are all saying all signs are pointing to, a second stimulus check. I think the only hiccup right now is really just, the different ways that they want to spend the allocated money, for the budget. Now, August 7th has to be the date that it gets done, essentially because of the fact that Congress is set to go on recess now from August 10th to September 7th. So August 7th sounds like the date that we are all going to hear something definitive on the second stimulus package. Now, the House of Democrats are stating that this time around, they want to be a little bit more generous. They do want to include, they want to go ahead and bump up the amount that the families will receive from $2,400 all the way up to $6,000. So this is a huge jump. We're talking about almost $3,500, $3,400 of a jump for families that actually, will probably need it more, right? Because of single people, you got to take care of yourself, but you got to think about people that have, kids and have a whole family. They definitely need more help. So the Democrats are definitely trying to look out on that. We salute them on that. Now, the Senate has also stated that a second check will be included in the second stimulus package. They just don't know how much right now. So those are the things that they're trying to kind of iron out during this time, and they have time to do it. They want to be able to say what they did instead of saying, we plan on doing this. So I'm a firm believer that, everything will get done within the next 3 weeks. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell announced today that they do plan on including this. So he stated it again. They do plan on including a second round of direct payments, and kind of going off of what they were successful doing in the first round of stimulus checks. They kind of want to build off of that. So we are towards the end of July right now. We got about maybe a week and a half until July is actually over. And so you have a lot of people out there, which is the reason why I'm doing this video, is a lot of people are out there and they are wondering, what's going to happen with their unemployment benefits. A lot of people are laid off. The unemployment rate is still above 10%, which is pretty high. So we, like I said, there's a lot of people that want to know, what are they going to do when it comes to being able to take care of the necessities? These unemployment benefits have definitely helped out a lot of people for the $600 extra each week, which is an additional $2,400 each month. So, I don't know about most states, but here in California, I think the max that you can get for your unemployment is like $450. So if you add the $450 plus the $600, some people were getting about $1,000, give or take, each week, which is about $4,000. Now, here in California, we're in LA, prices are extremely high in California. And so majority of the people in this state, I feel like probably made something near $4,000. I don't know about in other states how people, are getting along, but the cost of living out here is crazy expensive. It's probably some of the highest prices in the country. So I mean, I feel like it definitely is essential now. A back to work incentive, I could also see that working for people. The argument was that not everybody makes $4,000 a month, and it's like, yeah, okay, but still, you know, and the fact that they don't have that job to continue to make that money, it kind of balances. It kind of balances out, you know, when you think about it in the end. So the good news is, like I said, you know, they'll have the kinks ironed out this time so that people can actually receive the money on time and, you know, speedy, because everybody needs it. So with that being said, I want to go over 3 ways that you can plan on investing your second stimulus check. I would immediately, after reading all these different articles, I would immediately place some of this money in an emergency fund. Now, this is going to be for anywhere from a month to at least 3 months worth of savings for an emergency fund. We're talking about, you know, rainy day money. We don't know what the situation is going to continue to look like for most people, but we do want to make sure that we're able to essentially still provide for our family and still have a roof over our head, and all of these things are really important. Essential things are going to be, you know, a roof over your head, your car, you know, your food, and your utilities. So you at least want to have the minimal amount that you need to be able to survive for each month for at least 3 months. Once you guys get past that and you guys have your savings for your rainy day money, if some people feel comfortable with that amount, you could start to pay down some of your debt. So if someone's comfortable, you know, with the savings that they have, then you start chipping away at your debt. And we're not talking student loan debt, we're talking credit card debt, simply because student loan debt could be forgiven. We don't know right now. So I wouldn't go after my student loan debt. And I have student loan debt myself. I wouldn't go after that. I will probably go after the credit card debt for sure. So once you guys get done kind of putting your rainy day money away, if you guys are getting past those 2 things, then you guys are ready to maybe possibly invest a little money into, I think the most logical thing to do is to invest into something, some type of commodity, some type of currency, gold, silver, diamonds, the stock market, something, you know what I mean? I would definitely invest in something. So yeah, I hope you guys have found value from this video. That is where we stand right now currently with the second stimulus package. We are waiting, it sounds like, until around August 7th. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. I appreciate you guys. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We will see you guys in the next video. We are dropping videos twice a week, every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Make sure you smash the like button. Smash the like button for me. Drop a comment. Let me know if you guys found any value from this video. And if you guys have any ideas for future videos, drop a comment. We'll see you guys in the next video. You know what it is. It's your boy, Seanjames. Yeah.